Imagine a manufacturing or production system composed of multiple processing units or work centers. Include demand-driven orders received at random for one or more products, tens or hundreds, each of which requires different routing through the system and cross-path with other products flow through the system's work centers or processing units, but required to be delivered in full for each demanded order. Also, products require different raw materials and/or components that the system purchases from local and international vendors. Now, the system operates focused in achieving benefits with the greatest flow through the constraint. That depends on each product flow through the system and that may change due to total workload caused by other products flowing through the system, where each product's processing time varies depending on the work required at each work center or processing unit. How will you go about designing the master production architecture to manage such a system?